Hello guys, today we're gonna replace a door handle. Yes, we're gonna replace this one. As you say, it's loose, but the main problem is too many holes inside and we just can't fit it anymore. So what we're gonna do is just remove it and put a new type. It's just a normal door handle, so what we're gonna need is just a door handle and a Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. So let's start. Screws first. As I was gonna say, as you see before, it's been damaged so many times that it's not possible to fit it anymore. Yep. Okay, we have here the handle. This is the sap that goes through the door and it makes the mechanism. So we just introducing on the lock. As you can see, in this case, we're gonna have a little bit of marks from the previous handle. So what we're gonna do before continuing, I'm gonna take it off, paint it a little bit on white.
I ain't never gonna stop, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
So to make it easy, we close the door so we can push against it.
And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why is it?
So hopefully this video has helped you, and if you like it, please subscribe and like it. Bye.